going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making chicken and waffles, so I hope y'all enjoy. It's about to be delicious. Okay, first we're going to go in and do our pancake mix for the waffles. So we're going to start off with 2 eggs. Then we're going to do 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now we need 1 3/4 cup of milk. Now 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. One tablespoon of sugar. Four teaspoons of baking powder. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. A 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, now we just gotta mix it all together. I'm gonna let the waffle maker warm up. Then we ready to make the waffles. And now we're about to get the chicken ready so we can fry the chicken up. Alright, once you get that all mixed up, just set it aside. Actually, we're just going to stick it in the refrigerator so we're ready for it. And by the way, if you don't use all that pancake mix, you can just put it in a container and just keep it in the refrigerator. Just make sure you mix it back up before you use it again. Alright, now I got my flour with the seasoning in it. The seasoning I used. I added that into the flour already. Then I took some of it out from here and put it in this one. Then I'm going to put about a half a cup of water in there. Mix it all up. I'm going to wash it first. Then I'm going to put the chicken in here just to help the breading stick to it a little better. Alright, now that I got the chicken washed off, we're going to put it in the wash first and put it in the flour mix. Then we're going to go to the deep fryer. I'm going to fry them at 350 degrees for about 7 minutes. I'll check them after about 7 minutes to see if they're ready. Alright, the chicken got about a minute left, so we're about to go in and start the waffle maker. Gonna spray it down with some non-stick cooking spray. And put our mix in. And we're going to let that cook for about a minute, then we'll come back and check on it. What the chicken look like so far. Oh yeah, it's about done. Smells delicious. Alright, it's been about 7.5 minutes. So this chicken's ready. Just want to get it out of here. Look at that chick. It's about to be delicious. Alright, let's check out the waffles again. Alright, they're starting to look good. I'm going to give them about another minute. Alright, let's get these waffles off. There you go, the waffles are ready. Alright, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed. And that waffle mix I did, it makes 8 waffles with that mix. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Please hit that like and that subscribe button for me. Peace.